Hey friends, what is up? You already know who it is. It's your girl Whitney B, and I'm back with another video. So I'm going to show you really quick how to make your unit smaller. So I know if some of you have ever ordered a pre-made unit, sometimes they come a little too big for your head. So I'm going to show you an easy trick and an easy way to make your unit smaller, more fitted. So for this unit, this is a pre-made unit that I received from one of my customers. She wanted me to fix it up and make it smaller, of course. So I'm going to be using my curved needle. And basically what I'm going to be doing is if you see there are spaces in between each track. So I'm going to take the space from the bottom and the space above that, and I'm actually going to combine the two and sew them together. So hopefully that makes sense, but here is me doing it. And as you see, I'm going from the top and I'm going to combine it with the space at the bottom. So hopefully this video is going to be helpful for you, and hopefully you can learn from it. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, you should go ahead and subscribe. Like, on my channel, I have so many helpful tutorials for my wig makers, and if you're someone that wears wigs, so go ahead and help your girl out and hit the subscribe button. But enough of me talking, let's get into this tutorial. All right, so we are done, and I'm just gonna try her on just to make sure it fits good. And it's actually much more fitted, and it is much more smaller. So I'm going to fix her up and style her for my client. And as you see in the between the tracks there, it just brought them a little closer together. The wig is still flat in the back. There's no like lumps. You can't see where I actually sewed the tracks together. And here is the inside, and it's still nice and clean. So I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.